balak lang sa pag-iipon, gusto namin na makaipon din naman kami kasi pag oras na kailangan namin, magkasakit kami, may tatakbuhan man kami, may gagamitin. Eh wala eh.
Maganda talaga pag may ipon. Eh kaso wala, kinakapos talaga kahit anong ipon mo, nagagamit mo rin yung ipon mo eh. Grabing mahal kasi ang bilihin ngayon.
Importante talaga makapag-ipon kasi para din naman sa kinabukasan natin yun eh.
In case na may emergency po, may madudukot.
Saving up for the future matters to many Filipinos, but many still remain underbanked and unbanked.
Mas madaming may account yung tinatawag nating class ABC. Parang more than 50% meron silang account. This is 2 times higher than the class D, for example, na mga 20% lang. And then yung mga class E, mga 14% lang. So definitely, meron siyang imbalance in terms of yung sino ba talaga yung nakakapagbukas ng account.
Having little to no access to banks and other financial institutions also pose as a challenge.
There are 33% of our cities and municipalities na walang bangko talaga. So that is about 551 cities and municipalities. So madami din.
According to the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, almost half of the population has savings, but 7 out of 10 Filipinos keep them at home. This has been the practice for housewife and mother Maricel Espinola. She prefers to keep her family's hard-earned money at home, despite a fire in 2015 that wiped out their entire savings.
Parang mas maganda sa akin yung dito lang sa bahay, yung savings na naiipon namin kisa sa bangko kasi may maintaining balance tapos malaki yung bago ka maka-open. Naiisip ko naman po yun na in case nakawin, gano'n na lang. Parang naano ko rin yung magbangko kaya lang di sapat yung pangbangko. Iyan tera-tera na lang po yan sa budget.
There are many barriers that stop Filipinos from engaging with banks. The required initial deposit and maintaining balance are often too high. There are dormancy charges. Application requirements are difficult to obtain, and the banks themselves are physically inaccessible. But the government, through the BSP, has been working through these barriers. In early 2018, the BSP released a basic deposit account framework, which eases the process of opening up a bank account. In a basic deposit account, people make an initial deposit of less than 100 pesos. There will be no required maintaining balance and no dormancy charges, and maximum savings per account is up to 50,000 pesos. The goal is to cast a wider net, allowing more financial inclusion among Filipinos.
Financial inclusion is the effective access to a wide range of financial services by all Filipinos. For example, savings, credit, investment, insurance, or even payments and remittances. So what it means for the Filipino is that they are able to use the financial services to either manage their finances or budget, to save for the future, to insure against risks, or to make investments and take advantage of economic opportunities.
As a trusted financial entity, Cebuana Luwilier offers several ways for Filipinos to achieve financial inclusion. How important is financial inclusion for all Filipinos, and how can Cebuana Luwilier help them with this?
Our vision is to make sure that we give access to capital, access to cash, to as many Filipinos as possible. We want to make sure that the underbanked is served, financial inclusion happens for every Filipino, thus creating our micro-savings platform. We want to make sure not only does a Filipino have access to get cash, but every Filipino should have access to save.
Yung role of the non-banks in providing financial services is very clear. They are providing a network. Yung bangko, ito lang ang nare-reach. Pag tingnan mo yung non-bank, mas madami silang touch points or access points sa areas na baka walang bangko.
Fortunately for us, we are where banks are not. Rural areas, markets, far-flung areas in the Philippines. The network that we have is accessible to the market.
Filipinos want to save, and with the help of Cebuana Luwilier's financial services, it's now possible. Soon enough, the barriers that hinder the financial security of millions in the country will be a thing of the past. As more Filipinos try to save, financial institutions are using technology to reach more people and provide the best service. Tech and finance go hand in hand. Knowing this, one of the country's top microfinancial institutions has made its mission to serve their clients by using world-class technology. This ensures transactions are fast, reliable, and secure.
Our company has been adapting and maximizing technology in terms of transforming our businesses. We continuously enhance our backroom systems and processing. We are also implementing artificial intelligence to make sure that we will have seamless processing of transactions.
Connectivity is also an important concern. Seamless transactions mean that Cebuana Luwilier can connect their clients to other institutions easily. Whether paying bills or transferring money, they make it all possible through more than 450 corporate partners within their system.
In terms of the partnership and business-to-business implementation, we have been using application program interface or the API. Through API, we are able to easily connect and partner with several institutions like fintech and startup companies, utility companies, telcos, banks, lending companies, and we have mirror technology to make sure that our systems are highly available in our branches and even in our data center. The bottom line is we were able to take advantage of available technology solutions in order to achieve our financial inclusion vision.
We won't be talking about financial inclusion without technology. Ang technology would be able to reduce your cost, would be able to promote transparency, would be able to ensure convenience, and also assure efficiency. And technology is the way forward, and digital is the commodity by which we should go together as one.
Because of the technological advances in the world of finance, small to medium enterprises are able to thrive. One of them is Abriel Mansilungan, who sells collectible toys and action figures online. He uses Cebuana Luwilier's facilities as a payment option for buyers.
Madali na lang din ngayon kumuha ng payment ng mga customer kasi maraming mga remittance center tulad nga ng Cebuana kung saan magpapadala na lang ng bayad yung buyer sa'yo. Tapos, actually, hindi mo nga kailangang puntahan kada may isang magbabayad eh. Alam mo na secure yung pera mo sa mga remittance center tulad ng Cebuana. Sa isa pa, mura ang processing fee sa Cebuana kung ikukumpara sa iba. So, napakadali talagang makipag-transact sa mga customer kung gumagamit kami ng Cebuana bilang payment option. Kasi nga, madaling kunin yung pera, saka accessible sila. Kahit saan napumunta ka, merong branch ng Cebuana.
Thanks to technology, efficient, secure, and safe transactions are more possible than ever. Technology plays a big role in making financial services available to the masses. Up next, we find out how a wide network of partners also helps these services become even more accessible. Partnerships matter. Cebuana Luwilier's strategic network in and out of the country has made it easier for Filipinos to send and receive money. Sending money from thousands of miles away, for many overseas Filipino workers, this is a means of expressing their love to the people back home. Former OFW Jessica Argañosa knows this story too well.
Dati akong OFW sa Malaysia. Umuwi ako, tapos na rin ang kontrata. At the same time, gusto ko rin makita yung magulang ko. Ako na rin yung sinabi ng mga kapatid ko na mag-alaga. Imbis na ibang tao, kung ako nakakapag-alaga ng ibang tao sa abroad, bakit hindi ang magulang? Bali, nagpapadala ako sa parents ko sa Cebuana mula nung nag-work ako siguro every time na Siyempre, sa sahod. Yung mga kapatid ko ibang bansa, nagpapadala din gamit ang Cebuana.
Globally also, because of our remittance business, we have close to 1 million touch points around the world, and all of the OFWs that are out there that need to send their cash to the Philippines can go to these partners of ours to send their cash to their loved ones back home.
Cebuana Luwilier has built and developed a comprehensive and extensive systems and database of 25 million clients, almost 2,500 branches, 450 business-to-business solutions partners, 4,500 agent networks, and 1 million virtual and physical touchpoints worldwide.
With Jessica finally back home, her focus is now on the farm. It's important for her to have a trusted place that can assist with their financial obligations when the harvest is not enough.
May time na inaabot ka ng bagyo, may time na sobrang init, nagkataon naman na medyo talagang gipit na gipit, halos wala na akong mapagkunan, nahiya naman ako manghiram sa iba. So yung alahas na napundar ko sa pagtatrabaho ko abroad, aking naisanla. Pagpunta ko sa Cebuana, mula sa bahay hanggang doon, ang lapit lang, magta-tricycle ka lang. Pag sinabi mo Cebuana, automatic alam na ng mga tricycle driver yan. Tsaka ang bukas niya, talaga kahit weekend, bukas. Maganda naman ang serbisyo ng Cebuana. Since malapit pa sa amin, doon ako nagpunta. Mabilis mag-process pati.
With almost 2,500 locations throughout the country, Cebuana Luwilier makes it possible for Filipinos to have access to microfinancing solutions. More Filipinos like Jessica are empowered to support their families better. This is what financial inclusion hopes to achieve: provide more Filipinos as many choices as possible to increase their wealth and build a better future. Saving money can be a tool for progress, a dream millions of Filipino families hold close to their hearts. Times can be tough. Filipino families today need more and more to survive, so much so that sometimes one job is no longer enough. Single mother Amor Frilles is hard at work to support her 2 kids, spending most of her free time earning more for the family.
Mahirap ang maging single mother. Kasi unang-una, nanay ka na, tatay ka pa. Hindi mo naman pwedeng hatiin ang katawan mo. Nagkatrabaho ka at inalagaan mo ang anak mo. Kaya nag-isip talaga ako ng mga bagay, nakikita ako na kasama ko yung mga anak ko. Nagre-reband ako ng buhok, nagmamasahe, nagni-nail art. Bukod doon sa pagmamanicure, tumatanggap din ako ng tahiin. Ayoko yung may nasasayang akong panahon na para kumita. Kasi po, hindi tayo habang buhay bata. May anak akong binubuhay at hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan lang din ang buhay ko sa mundo para mapag-ipunan ko yung mga pangangailangan ng anak ko. So hanggat malakas pa ako, gusto ko samantalahin yung panahon na kumikita ako para makapag-save.
Amor has been a loyal client of Cebuana Luwilier for the past 7 years. When she found out about their landmark offering, a micro savings account, she realized she can finally keep her money somewhere safe.
The whole group, the Cebuana Luwilier group, we would want our clients to think long-term already. We would want them to have their own financial security. So we are now offering the micro savings account. They just need an initial deposit of 50 pesos and 1 valid ID. So we really made it simple already for our clients to open an account. So the good thing about this account is that there are no dormancy charges and there's no maintaining balance. We made it really simple for our clients.
Ang micro savings talaga malaking tulong yan. Kasi unang-una, mahirap mag-open account sa mga bangko. So sabi ko, maganda pala yung ng Cebuana kasi isipin mo, 50 pesos, kayang-kaya mo.
What we're dreaming for our clients is that they would be given an option to dream bigger. We would want our clients to have a different mindset already in terms of how they handle their finances. Basically, what we want them to have is a long-term view in terms of saving, in terms of making better financial decisions.
Kapag nasimulan mo yung isang bagay na hindi mo ginagawa at naisip mo, ay, maganda pala mag-ipon. Mag-iisip ka ngayon ng paraan para kumita ka at gusto mong malagay yung savings mo.
Micro savings may sound small, but how they help individuals and businesses is significant. Through Cebuana Luwalier's micro savings services, they are able to empower more communities, families, and people to live better lives by making sure that their needs are always met.
Water bill ko, electric bill, doon ko din binabayaran. Nandun na lahat eh. Hindi mo na kailangan lumayo. Gagamit ako ng Cebuana hanggat may Cebuana. Kasi hindi ko na yung pwedeng iwanan eh. Kasama na yung sa buhay ko.
Ordinary people and even businesses can benefit from micro savings. During tough times, even a small amount of money saved can provide a safety net for millions of Filipinos. And in the Philippines, preparing for the future is everyone's concern. Saving for a rainy day and preparing for the future are traditional values that Filipinos aspire for, but can't always afford. By providing accessible service for growing personal savings, no matter how modest, financial institutions can help Filipinos be ready for whatever is to come. No matter how hard we work, it feels like money goes through fast. That's why so many Filipinos try to save so that they can prepare for what's to come. But for laundry shop owner Imelda Baron, having a regular job doesn't always mean having enough to save up.
Sa ngayon, kahit may hanap buhay ka na regular, dumadating talaga na kinakapos ka. Katulad yung malalaking gastusin na dumadating, katulad ng tuition. Sa akin, mabigat kasi yun dahil malaki.
Like many Filipinos, Imelda's needs are simple. She'd like to save up for the future, especially for any difficult days to come. But she'd also like to have enough to celebrate the important milestones in her family's life.
Ang pinag-iipunan ko naman ngayon, since na-graduating na yung anak ko, doon sa graduation niya, gusto namin magbakasyon, kaming pamilya. Kahit naman sa local destination, kailangan mo rin pag-ipunan yun
Imelda finds banks intimidating. She worries that her modest savings would be too small to open and maintain an account.
Pagka sa bangko ka kasi nag-ipon, parang nakakahiya magpunta, 500 lang ang i-deposito mo. Pupunta ka doon, pagbubuksan ka ng guard, para sa akin parang nakakahiya. Kaya kailangan kong itabi muna yung mga halaga na yon. Pagka medyo malaki-laki na, saka ko nilalagay sa bangko.
When Imelda found out that Cebuana Luwalier's micro savings program only required a 50 peso deposit, she signed up immediately.
Ngayon na meron na akong micro savings, parang excited ako lumabas ng bahay araw-araw kasi una kong pupuntahan, bago ako pumunta sa palengke, ihulog ko yung natira kong pera nung mga nakaraang araw.
Having enough saved means being ready for the future. It's a habit that so many Filipinos need to adopt.
Having savings allows us to have enough to be able to take advantage of economic opportunities in the future and can also help us manage risks that happen or unexpected events. Usually kasi yan yung nangyayari na uubos ang nababaon sa utang pag may mangyaring emergency. But if you have savings, meron kang paghuhugutan.
We really feel that Cebuana Luwalier is not only a financial service firm, but a financial wellness firm. Our dream is to make sure that every Filipino has access to a bank account. We want to make sure it's as easy as possible. We want to make sure we start from the very basic, making sure that the access to deposit to a bank account is there, and thus creating this platform. Just like how it was in the early 90s when the people had access to the web, they were given an email account. So in the past, Hotmail was out there. Many people use the same email for a lifetime. So giving that access, every Filipino will have an opportunity to save, and it will be great for them, great for the company, and great for the country.
For so long, Filipinos had believed that there were limited choices when it comes to saving money. Cebuana Luwalier has disrupted the financial landscape in the country, giving millions the power to secure their futures by giving them the right tools today. Micro savings can change the lives of millions of Filipinos, allowing them to achieve their dreams 1 peso at a time.